In this video, we're going to review the top 5 best tennis racket for intermediate level that are available on the market. We made the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion, and more. To see the most up-to-date prices, check out the links in the description below. Number 1. Oppum Full Carbon Pro Tennis Racquet. For intermediate players who are aiming to get to a professional level, the Oppum Adult Graphite 100% Full Carbon Pro Tennis Racquet is well worth considering. Made with Graphene Carbon Fiber, one of the strongest materials known to us, you can be sure that you are getting an ultra-tough and durable racket. It will not go out of shape and provides the best handling and performance in its price range. This racket's main selling points are its lightweight nature and extreme strength. It incorporates the latest technology to provide greater stability as well as optimized energy transfer for more power. Its 16-19 string design enhances spin during fast rallies, and you will love how fast the ball speed is when using it. It's like a powerful trampoline effect on the ball. Number 2. Head T Conquest Tennis Racquet. Head has constantly pushed athletic equipment into the modern world and continues to produce high-quality, high-performance tennis rackets. The T Conquest Tennis Racquet is no exception. As well as being great for beginners, this racket is perfect for intermediate players looking to take their game to the next level. This racket sports an oversized 108-inch head that helps players achieve a larger sweet spot to master their precision for every shot. It also boasts a headlight balance to reduce vibration, aiding stability as you hit the pickleball with force and from different angles. Number 3. Wilson Clash 100 Tennis Racquet. The racket that breaks away from the conventional and gives you the best of both worlds. We are talking about the Wilson Clash 100. It is among the few rackets that have managed to combine the opposite qualities, i.e. power, control, flexibility, and stability, all within the same frame. With Clash 100 you can take advantage of the vertical swings in the game. It bends in a particular way that it creates a pocket around the ball and enhances the overall feel of the frame while providing impeccable stability at the same time. The Clash 100 is not like ordinary tournament rackets, it is loaded with technology that can enhance a player's game to a great extent. Here are the technologies that are incorporated in the Wilson Clash 100. Number 4. Wilson Blade 98 V7 Tennis Racquet. The blade line from Wilson is one of the common rackets used by tennis players. Wilson has been focusing on making tennis rackets that provided amazing spin. However, Countervail particularly focuses on providing comfort. Blade 98 V7 is Wilson's new technology that combines carbon fibers into the frame of the racket to keep it lightweight and help it absorb energy better. This technology also has the ability to dampen the speed of the ball so that you can take more controlled shots. It can be difficult at first to play with the racket, but as soon as you find the right size, you will notice massive improvements in the game. The strength generated by the racket can be a great help during the rallies. Once you get the timing right, you will be able to play any shot easily. Number 5. Wilson Ultra 100. The Wilson Ultra 100 is like the Swiss Army knife of tennis rackets. This tennis racket is perfect for all court play and excels at blending each aspect spectacularly. While other rackets dominate at spin, comfort, or power, the Wilson Ultra 100 does them all. The Wilson Ultra 100 places so highly on this list because it offers something to every player. It has the power to be good for baseliners, but offers an extra feel for those who like to be at the net. This superb feel is great as it allows you the sensitivity and control to improve your game. At 11.2 ounces strung, the Wilson Ultra 100 is strong enough to absorb the power of other players while giving you enough punch in your own game to compete.